Hello, so we're back again with a slightly different video. We're doing a review video, and this is the new Fidget Craze that is out today. Now, it's a bit like the fidget spinner, but in the sense that it's more what they call a desk toy. So you have to, it takes a bit of skill. And now you can watch our video and see how not skilled we are at it. But we have been practicing, haven't we, Gracie?
Oh, I'm skilled. I can do it.
You're getting better.
I can.
What I'd say is every time we put the camera on, it didn't work. But take a look. So that was our efforts for this, I don't even know how you pronounce it, Mokuru toy. Maybe you'll have better luck with us. You can buy it now from Smith's Toys or Amazon. And I think we're after one in every colour, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's 5 different colours to collect. And it is really, really addictive stuff. Hit the like button if you like the video. Do comment on what you think of them and what colour you might like to buy, and if you think you'd be any good at it, and I hope you'll subscribe. So see you later.